Yeah.
Alright. Just a moment.
Oh, this moment. So should I just grab a lot of it?
Yes, you can. You can
Let me grab something as well. If I like this too. That's quite a lot for myself. I enjoy it. How are you? Just sleeping. Just sleeping. There's no other way. So I'm afraid of killing myself, so I have to eat, you know.
See, you didn't kill them.
It's a solution to something. But for me, I'm like, let me just live in the moment, just it's miserable. Just thrive and just see. Maybe the future is going to be perfect for me. I don't know.
That's all we are looking for.
That is nice. That is nice to say that.
Maybe God one day will answer our prayers.
I'm sure, since you say so, maybe. I'm not quite certain. But I'm not saying I doubt. I'm just saying we'll see. Now we see different things, both of us, like different things.
All right.
I'm swiping, right? Also, you do it right here.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Joining us for Paseo a la Paseo.
So I'll be just, make it find my installment and to the party. I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to go. And yeah, I'm just taking my bag and I'm just leaving now. So that's what I'm doing. And it's done for me. I haven't eaten anything at night because I'm satisfied with what I've got here, and it was nice. Great for me. So outside there is the night, and yeah, here we go.